Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla. 3 Zimbabwean nationals and a South African have been arrested between Vryheid and Paul Pietersburg in northern KwaZulu-Natal after they were found in possession of a stolen transformer. It is believed that the transformer belonged to Eskom. South Africa ingasifika esigabeni lapho khona izokwazi ukunqoba lezi zinto ezintathu ngoba izona ezibulala lezwe lethu: i-crime, i-corruption kanye nama-politician. Izathu nama-drugs into S4. Izathu esenza ukuthi ngihlukanise i-crime nama-drugs kanye ne-corruption, ngikuhlukanise ngoba kufole endaweni eyi-1. Kuko isisodwa isizathu esenza lokho ukuthi i-corruption iyona egqugqumezela i-crime ukuthi ayenzeke, ngoba kule South Africa yethu esiphila kuye ekhululekile abantu ababoshwayo yilabo abangenamali, abantu abasemajele njengoba sikhuluma yilabo abangenamali, abantu abanezimali abekho semajele ngoba bayakwazi ukugwaza emaphoyiseni. Into ebuhlungu nje leyo. Yingakho ke mangikhuluma nge-corruption ngikhuluma ngayo ngoba ngiyihlukanisa nje kwi-crime lejwayelekile yokubanjwa kwabantu inkunzi ne-crime enye esuka ikhona. I-corruption ngendlela eyiyo irobha ngisho abantu abahluphekile, yenza abantu abagulayo bafe ngoba esikhundleni sokuthi imali ingene emkhakheni lezo kwenza ukuthi bona bathole usizo, iye emaphaketheni abantu abathize, njengoba abanye abantu bengenawo amanzi lapho behlala khona. Kuseyiyi corruption eyenzeke egameni lama-water tank mafias, lenzeke egameni lama-tender lapha ama-politicians ekwazi ukukhiphela abangani babo ama-tender. If ungekho politically connected ungeke uze uyithole. I-corruption ke inkinga lapho. Ama-drugs angifuni nokuya kuwo,
They were following up on a wanted suspect who specialized in kidnappings and cash in transitized. And when they arrived here, just at Smith Street before they drive into town, they noticed this suspicious vehicle, and that matched the description of the suspects, and which they've been trying to follow up. And they tried to stop it, and the occupants, rather than stopping, they decided they own the world. They decided they own the country and the road. Nobody will do anything, including law enforcement. And unfortunately, they shot at police, and the police had to defend themselves and the team that was there. And 3 of them, as you can see, those guys, they are lying there. And what I can allude is that one of them, it's linked to a cash in transitized that happened on the 6th of April 2003 in Sebokeng, where 9 suspects were fatally wounded and 2 were arrested. And through those 2 were arrested, that's what led us to know who is the other suspect who managed to escape. And further than that, during June this year, a Chinese national was kidnapped in Landlaagte police precinct. Now, they are linked to that case of that kidnapping. And last week, on the 14th at Randburg, an South African Indian male, they tried to kidnap, but that person managed to drive through. He collided deliberately with one of their vehicles because they were using more than one vehicle. And when he when he collided with them, he moved away. Not in competition with criminals. They got what they deserved. By shooting at police, they were committing suicide on their own.
Njengoba uzwa ke uMajor General ebeka ukuthi iphutha lalabantu lokuthi badubula amaphoyisa ngokudubula nje emaphoyiseni bese becommit bebhala bona i-suicide note, bese vele kuyindlela zabo zokufuna ukucommit suicide. Babadubulile ke bashona, kodwa bekuyigebengu vele eyifunekayo for icala le kidnapping. Ngihlezi ngithi ukufa kwesigebengu esihluphayo esike sakidnap abantu, esithathela abantu imali, esidubula abantu, uma sesifile kanje is -1 problem, ngoba kunomphakathi osuzokwazi ukulala, kunomphakathi osuzophumula, kunomphakathi ozoba nokuthula. Noma kungeyona into esincomayo, kodwa ayikho into amaphoyisa angasayenza, ngoba igebengu kokuqala iphatha iy'nhlokohlela zey'bhamu. Njengoba labantu bekuthiwa bashaya ama-cash in transit, abaphathi-ke iy'bhamu ey'ncane. Kufuneka ukuthi amaphoyisa enze noma yini angasayenze ukuze azivikele wona. Sithatha udaba olungelesithathu engicabanga ukuthi elokugcina kule video le. Mhlambe mazikhona ezinye sozibona kwivideo elandelayo. Kunento enginokuyibona eniyenzayo. Nokuthola ivideo ina 2K views kodwa inama-like ayi-100. Ngiyanicela ukulike kumahhala, ukusubscribe kumahhala, nokukhomenta kumahhala. Ngiyanicela nje kakhulu ni-like ivideo. Ungaphambi uye kude nje uma uyibukela ivideo nje press u-like bese uyayibukela-ke ivideo. Noma ngathiwa kukhulunywa ngento ongayithandi, pressa phela u-like. Ngiyazicelela nje lapho. Ngiyazicelela ukuthi ni-like, ni-comment, ni-share. Lokho kuyayilekelela i-channel kakhulu. Nanokuthi futhi uma kuvela ama-advert, niwabuke nawo. Yazi ungayibuka for 30 seconds uma uyibona ukuthi inde kakhulu bese ushaya uskip. Lokho-ke kuyayilekelela i-channel kakhulu. Kwenza ukuthi YouTube nami kube khona engipha khona, ngikwazi ukuthenga into zokugcoba, ngikwazi ukuba nedatha ukuze ngiqhubeke nokunilethela izindaba. Asidlulele phambili. Isihloko sale article sithi Hawks arrested Bangladesh Paza shop owner in Nelspruit after 1.5 million rand in illicit cigarette found hidden inside shop. Lifundeka kanje. A joint operation led by the Hawks Serious Commercial Crime Investigation Unit in Nelspruit resulted in the arrest of a 45-year-old Bangladesh national and the seizure of illicit cigarettes worth 1.5 million rand. The man was found operating a supermarket in West Acres, Nelspruit on Thursday. During the operation, officials from Crime Intelligence and Customs and Excise discovered several master boxes containing different brands of illegal cigarettes. The suspect, who is in South Africa as a temporal asylum seeker, could not produce proof of purchase or tax documentation for the goods found in his store. Authorities confirmed that the suspect has been charged with contravening the Customs and Excise Act, including possession, distribution, and sale of illicit cigarette. Lo mlisa-ke waseBangladesh bathi uvele enkantolo ngolwesihlanu. Emveni besetholakele nalezi zinto atholakale nazo njengoba uzibona la ku-screen sakho. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi isizathu esenza ukuthi abanjwe ama-Hawks ebekhona amaphoyisa asebenza endaweni siyasazi sonke. Ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi isizathu esenza ukuthi azabanjwe ama-Hawks kodwa bekhona amaphoyisa endaweni la ahlala khona siyasazi sonke ukuthi labantu aba-owner lama-shop bakhipha okweshumi lapha emaphoyiseni. Manje awakwazi amaphoyisa ukuthi angathiwa ayabaphazamise ekubeni bebe behlomula kuwo. Angazi noma kusemthethweni noma kusemthethweni, kodwa nje amaphoyisa ayakwenza. Amaphoyisa ehla nebhodlela eli-empty, athatha udrinki. Awungakhumbuli ngiwabona ekhokha, mhlawumbe wena wangakini ayakhokha, kodwa ngikhumbula mina ngiwabona ekhokha. Ngiwabona nje thatha ahambe. So isona sizathu esenza ukuthi kuze kugcina sekusukuma ama-Hawks ezobapha lo muntu, kodwa kunamaphoyisa ahamba nsuku zonke ngoba amaphoyisa akoleka okweshumi kulabantu. Ziningi izinto ezingalunga uma kungase kulunga amaphoyisa. I-grab yard lezi ezithenga ikhopha njengoba kwesinye isikhathi abantu bayeke bangabi nagesi. Uma kungathiwa ziyayeka ukuyithenga singabona impilo ingcono, kodwa ngoba bayazi ukuthi bayakhipha okweshumi, so leso sizathu senza ukuthi bakwazi ukuthenga ikhopha ngendlela abafuna ngayo. Ngoba amaphoyisa azathatha igxathu lokuthi ezinye izinto awazilayishe wona ey'motweni zamaphoyisa wona. Izolo kade sikhuluma ngendaba yama-SAPS members aboshwe i-JMPD ngoba bathatha inhlabathi ozamazama bayifaka emotweni yabo besizotransportwa imoto yamaphoyisa. Futhi-ke lokho bekuzokwenza ukuthi ifike la iya khona ngoba akekho umuntu obezovimba imoto yamaphoyisa endleleni ababuza ipasi nesipesheli. Ilokho nje ebengithi asidlule kukho. Zifo izinto ezibulala lezo ngizibalile: ama-drugs, i-corruption, i-crime nama-politician. 4 kwezinto nje ezibulala lezwe lethu le-South Africa yethu ekhululekileyo. Asiyibambe le video, ngicela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho la ku-comment section. Ngizwe wena ukuthi ubona kanjani kulonke lolu daba esixoxa ngalo. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.